Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Ford Focus. This vehicle comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, has rear parking sensors, the touchscreen features DAB digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity. We also get dual zone air conditioning and cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's using our click and collect service, our home delivery service, or arranging a time to view the vehicle at the dealership. We hope to see you soon. Thank you.